Hi, I'm Caleb from Kitchen Magic, and I'm here today to tell you what to expect with your upcoming kitchen remodel. On a typical new cabinetry project, the average time to completely remove the existing cabinets and install your new cabinetry is usually 5 to 7 business days. If we are also doing your countertop, we will need to create a template of your newly installed cabinetry to ensure the proper dimensions for your new countertop. On average, it takes about 10 business days from the time we make a template until we return with your new countertop. Please bear in mind, each project is unique and service times can vary. Your project coordinator will support and guide you through this process. It's important to remember that once the work begins, you will not have any working amenities. We will need to establish a main staging area in the home or garage to hold any product that will be needed for the installation, along with an area to work in during the installation. If there's no other area to do this work, it will have to be done in the kitchen or adjacent room. Having another area to complete this work cuts down on the dust and lessens the disruption in your home. Keep in mind that power tools are used during the renovation. We will do our absolute best to control the debris and minimize dust. Thank you so much for choosing Kitchen Magic for your project. If you have any further questions, please talk to your designer or your project coordinator.